Welcome to Wells Quick Tips and Trick YouTube cooking channel, and today I am come up with a fish handi biryani, because I am going to make it in handi. So if you can make it in your pan also, so please note down the ingredients what we need. First of all, it is fish biryani, so we need fish. I have taken red snapper. You can take black pomfret, cut into fat pieces. Okay, it has to be fat pieces, and you can take your choice of any fish, but see that the pieces are fat. Then we need some lime juice. Okay, we need some french fries. Now this french fries, if you go and check on the YouTube, on my YouTube cooking channel, I have shown how to make french fries at home like a restaurant style. So these are the french fries which I have made. Then we need around 4 tablespoons of milk. In that I have put some kesar into it and I have soaked it. Okay, then we need barista of 2 onions, fried onions, or you can say barista. Then we need, this is 3 onions like this chop. Then this is 4 tomatoes in round shape chopped, 2 green chilies, 1 cup it is like of coriander leaves, and half cup of mint leaves. Then we need rice. So rice quantity is yours. I have taken around 2 big cups of rice and I have cooked it 75%. And if you check my mutton biryani on my YouTube, you will get all the procedure, how I cooked my rice and all that. So you can check that also. I will share my link on the description box. So we start how to do. So this is the fish. No marination for the fish. Just check step by step what I am doing. So we take handi. So you take a handi or any of your vessels where you are going to make this. Now this is my homemade biryani masala powder also I will be using, and I will share you that link also in the description box. So first thing what we have to do is take this all in this handi. Okay, so add this all. Add the lime juice also. So lime juice is like 1 of 2 limes. So we are putting tomatoes, so you can put less of that. And ginger garlic paste, we will take around 2 big tablespoons. 1. And we'll add salt to this now. So we'll add salt. And now we will add our dry masalas. So we need Kashmiri red chili powder around 2 teaspoon, turmeric around 1.5 teaspoon, and around 1 big teaspoon of coriander powder. So these 3 will go, and I will add my homemade biryani masala powder to this, around 2 big teaspoon. So this is all what we need. Now if you don't have your homemade biryani masala powder, then that's okay. You can do it with this chili powder, coriander powder and coriander powder. That's it. So now the next procedure in this is, we have to mix all this nicely. I will add little bit of this fried onion also to this, and remaining I will keep for garnishing. Now we will have to mix this, okay? So mix this how you do, like you do some cucumber at home, or you do this salsa, whatever, like that only. You have to mix this all nicely. So you have to mix this way, each and everything. So this is our masala actually. So mix this all. This way. And now we will add our fish to this and mix it nicely, so that masala goes very well to this. So now we will apply this all. Take care. So you can see the fishes, let the masala go to this all. So now this is done. Okay, now if you want to marinate this, you can marinate this, or you can cook directly. Now we'll remove the pieces up like this, all the pieces up. And we will keep all the pieces like this on top. Okay, so let the pieces, the onions and tomatoes, whatever is there, let it be there. And now we'll add little bit oil to this. So oil which I am using now for this, which I fried my onions. Okay, so it's like around half cup of oil. So the masala will go really well for this. So now we'll again mix all this. Just muscle this all together. Same like how we do that kuchumbur and all, that way. So now oil is also mixed this. Now what I will do, I will bring that pieces up again. And I will set this all has to be down, this onions, okay? So now here it goes. Now I will place this like this. Now we will add on this our rice. So we'll add our rice on this. So here comes the rice. Spread the rice nicely. So spread all the rice over here. Now we'll add our fried onion on this top. Our kesar milk on this. Then the fried onions oil on top of this. And our French fries will layer on this. Now we will add 1 teaspoon of pure ghee. If you have, it's fine, otherwise it's okay. So I'm just leaving it over here. 1 teaspoon of pure ghee. So here. Now I will keep it on the gas for 5 minutes high flame. After that I will make it slow flame and let it be like for dum for 15 minutes on slow fire. Okay, you can cover it like how I have showed you with dough. In my other biryani I have showed you how to cover the sides with the dough. So I will cover it now. So I will put on the gas. I will cover my handi. I will place this over here. So 5 minutes on high flame. Okay. So now it is 5 minutes on high flame. If you can see, now I will make the flame on low. Okay. So now I will say for you one tip, like if you want to make this biryani quicker and faster, first of all you will have to plan out and cutting of your onion, tomatoes, cooking your rice 75%, making the milk warm and putting kesar and keeping that ready, frying the barista's onion, that you keep ready. So if you keep all this ready, then it's very easy to make this. So now let this get cooked for 15 minutes and then our biryani is ready. So now it is after 15 minutes. My fish biryani is ready. Fish handi biryani is ready. And I will serve this now because it's ready. And I will show you how to serve it. You have to just put it inside spoon and serve it. So if you see from inside, the masala is nicely done. Okay, so now I will serve this. So here is my biryani which is done. These are my fish pieces, nicely cooked. You can see this. So it is nicely cooked and it's ready to serve. I will enjoy, hope you will enjoy too. Thank you. And here is it. Thank you again.